Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now let's see the another important playlist for your GATE examination point of view. That will be the network analysis. Okay, this network analysis is mainly for the electrical stream as well as the electronic stream and as well as the instrumentation stream. Okay, here you can see in this session we have to just discuss the what will be the syllabus for this network analysis. In the next class onwards, we will try to see some important concepts for this network analysis. In this session, only you have to see only the first unit syllabus. Okay, unit 1 syllabus. Unit 1. So the first concept will be the basic classification of elements. First concept will be the basic classification of elements. So in this basic classification of the elements, what we have to be deal means what will be the linear and what will be the non-linear and what will be the lumped network and what will be the distributed network. Okay, all of those things we can see in this basic classification of elements. Okay, in the next concept, that be the electric charge. That be the electric charge. And the next concept, that be the potential. That be the potential. Okay, and the next concept be voltage. And so after completing of the electric charge, potential as well as the voltage, we have to see the power. So in this power, we are mainly dealing with the two concepts, important concepts. One be the power absorbed by the circuit, power absorbed, and next be the power delivered. Okay, what will happen means if we can take some circuit, network circuit, there we can observe what will we have to apply our power formula. Then there that we can see whether the power has to be delivered or power has to be absorbed. We have to be check it in that process. Okay, in the next concept, that be the important concept, that be the resistor, capacitor, inductor. Resistor, capacitor and inductor. Okay, here you can see throughout the network analysis we have to be rotated our network subject or network circuits in these three basic elements only. Okay, one be the resistor and another be the capacitor and another be the inductors. In most of the cases, whatever the circuit we have to be dealing in this network analysis, that be the combination of resistor, capacitor as well as an inductor. Okay, that's be the very important concept. Okay, in this concept you can observe one important thing, that be the series as well as the parallel. Here we can study the series and parallel. For this resistor, capacitor as well as an inductor. Okay, after completing this series and parallel connections, we have to be next to go on to the sessions with some problems. And next we can move on to the source transformations. Okay, in this source transformations, we have to be studied what will happen to the current division as well as in voltage division. Okay, here we can observe the current division, and here we can see our concept of voltage division. Okay, before this source transformations, we have to be doing the one more important thing for the network analysis, that be the independent sources as well as independent sources. Independent sources and dependent sources. So, okay, in this independent sources and the dependent sources, we are mainly dealing with the what will be the independent voltage source and what will be the independent current source. And here, when we come to the dependent sources, here we are dealing with the what will be the dependent current source as well as the dependent voltage source. Okay, after completing this independent sources and the dependent sources and source transformations, we are ready to do our required analysis, whichever it will be helpful for the network analysis. Okay, from there only our started real network analysis subject we started. First concept, that be the mesh analysis. This mesh analysis is super important or very important. Okay, in the next concept we have to see what will be the super mesh analysis. Okay, afterwards we will see the important concept, that be the nodal analysis. And after completing the nodal analysis, we can see the super nodal analysis. Okay, this mesh analysis as well as this super nodal analysis, both are very important. For your examination point of view, there will be a couple of questions will be there. I will be trying to solve that questions. There you will get to know how we can apply this mesh analysis as well as the nodal analysis very well. Okay, after the completion of all of those things, we just move on to our theorems. Okay, in theorems, the first theorem be the Norton's theorem. Superposition theorem. Maximum power transfer theorem. And after that, diligence theorem. And after that, Milliman's theorem. After that, we can see the reciprocity theorem. Okay, so here the important theorems be the for your examination point of view. First be the superposition theorem, that be the very important. Okay, why this superposition theorem be the very important means, whenever we have to be dealing in the future subjects. Okay, in the ECE domain or the electrical domain, we are mainly focused on the different type of voltage sources. Okay, not we are dependent on the like single voltage source or the single current source. In the real practical applications, we are mainly dealing with the multiple voltage sources or the multiple current sources. There we can see the applicability of the superposition theorem very well. Okay, next important concept that be the maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, this concept they might be asked in your examination. Okay, please careful and see this analysis very well. Next, this intelligence theorem, Millman's theorem, as well as the reciprocity theorem, as well as the Norton's theorem. They are the simple theorems only. You don't worry about that. Okay, this was the first unit syllabus for the network analysis. In the next class, we will try to see what will be the electric charge. Okay, in between I will be trying to start the basic classifications of elements. First of all, you have to be see what will be the electric charge. There only we have to be move our discussion. Okay, if you really like this video, please like my video, share my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.